Now there is already significant community spread. Just to give you a snapshot, these are yesterday's figures in Nongkyndong, which falls under Zone 1. Localities under Nongkyndong area 157 cases, localities under Lapan area 152, under Sadal PS station the localities there 158, under Lomdengri PS 106, under Maupat and surrounding areas 190, Madanrating 134, Maulai 146. When we go to the CNRD blocks, Nongkyndong 28 cases, Kharashnong Latkro 16, Mauplang 28, Shela 22, Mausanram 9, Pin Ursula 17. And when we look at the number of cases in the rural areas as well, we see that there is an increase as the days go by, even with these containment measures. The question which was raised earlier, why have cases increased even if you have contained, even if you have put down these restrictions? Please remember, the cases which are detected today are those which were possibly spread 5 days, 6 days, 7 days ago. A death which occurred today is the consequence of someone not wearing a mask 10 days ago, right? The steps we take today will only bear fruit, or we will only see results a week later, 10 days later. So this is the nature of the disease which we are grappling with, which we are battling with right now. You have heard that in rural areas as well, there are significant numbers of cases. I'll just read out some figures for you. Sora 16, Maudiang 14, Smith 13, Mauplang 10, Shakitai Nongkyndong Ru, Kaladon Kajing Sapriang, Jong Khñiang Jingpang, Haki CNRD block Jongi Ki Bakeleng Saudong Milayo I, Babaro Ki Ladon case, Bad Ladon Ru Ki containment zone, Habon Ki Jaka Kum Hajongsha, Hapo Ishamati, Bad Hasoyong, Bad Shaway. Tang mentagasni hay artho saw kentang yo artali ki kes ki bayap na soyong. Tekani ka pen I yangi bakila don bun ki kes Shakitai Nongkyndong kabala bandai nakadaw jong kajing rung kajing mi kajing wan jong ki briu sasor kajing lekra jong ki yo di khñiang jipang Shakitai Nongkyndong tingi don kam ban sungthu ba kajing mut jong kane kajing perking ka lockdown kade ban pinduna ban pin sange si sindon shwa ba kan poi kata ka situation ka bangi ong ka bang nyidum la ban control shu. Ti hakabiaday bat kani ki points kandiat nakaliang jonga kilong ba sungha ban kenmau ba ni baro gidei ban don kaching kli halade bat nakabenta ki bahayeng ba sem jongi minta iway positive case ipin sa priang sha artho sangut lada don kanu ka case hakaway ka long yeng ni yo I kumno ru shispa nakashispa ki kelalong positive. Kidon ki yeng ki bagi la hapan contain baro shiyeng namar baro kila positive. Kito ki jingyap ki bai doktor ila pule ki pen I bakini ki brio ki ban new post nem pra post house nem ki bam jumi shano haton nauno ki yo e kachingpang. Kamut bala don ki bayeng ba sem jo ki khon ki xiu ki parlok parajor ki bayak trei bayak ta bayat chani shatai bat ki ba le si kim da deng mas kim da but pikir ye ki kindon ki wan ra yu khñiang jingpang ki shitom ki di brio ki bala tlot lupa ka bormet ti ka jingkerpat nakaliang jonga ka dei ba nila ong ba containment ka ba mut ban pinsuki ban pinsange shisendon ya ka jing sapriang jong uni ujingpang ka jing tlot jong uni ujingpang kalong baladang nga deng mas pi deng mas piang ndu phut piang shimitan na jonga unum yo la ban kinti unum yo la ban infect ya pi labangi la ban but thik ya kini kindon hapo khat sau sni in one incubation period ngin la ban te la kam shi sendon ni kyntu ya kibreu ban wan shakmat kinmau batang hadin kendai 4% jonga population jongi yo ya utika nginum la ban long protected. 70 to 90% of us need to be vaccinated so that we can achieve herd immunity. The other option is that every one of us gets infected, but if that is the case, then many of us may also lose our lives. So please, let us take that sense of responsibility to fight the virus. Kabang ako aban ongru, ngin yale ye uni khñiang jingpang, daka jing start, daka jing tip. We will fight this virus with knowledge and with science.